Jack Diamond here. I was just going over some of my old scripts and brought back a lot of memories. I've been a professional actor since 1979 when I joined the Screen Actors Guild, and I studied the whole time I was there. I studied for 7 years with noted actor Jeff Corey in his class. 3 days a week, 6 hours of class with 35 other actors, and you showed up for class prepared. You did a monologue or a scene with a scene partner. And then you were critiqued by every actor in that group, including Jeff Corey, who would then come down to the stage area and offer you some advice and whisper something in your ear that might perk up your performance. That was nice. But I learned more in a 15-minute audition with George Stanoff than I did in those 7 years. And I'm going to tell you why. First, you might be asking, who's George Stanoff? Well, George came out of the Moscow Art Theater with a couple of noted teachers, one of them being Stanislavski and the other being Chekhov. And it was wonderful sitting in those classes and hearing George regale stories of the Moscow Art Theater and how Chekhov and Stanislavski would argue over technique. And I'll explain to you what those arguments were about. It was pretty interesting. So if you want to know more about it, follow me in my videos. I'll lay it all out for you step by step by step, how you build a character, because there's only 4 kinds of characters and it's what you do with them, and how you prepare your performance. Do you know what the atmosphere is? Because you don't create atmosphere. Your character must exist within atmosphere. I'm going to lay out that and a whole lot of other things. So if you're interested, and you should be if you're an actor or want to be an actor, hit the subscribe button and join me for the whole adventure, because this is going to be a fun journey. Thanks. I hope to see you in class.